Following from where we left off on the 4th tab on functions, exercise 2, we are looking for the number of female members. Okay, take note that worded in here, female members. Okay, not all members are female and not all females are members. So we are only counting those who are, like this is a member who is a male, we're not counting. Guest who is female, no, we're not counting. Walk-in male, no, and so on. We're looking for member female, member female, member female. Okay, we're not looking for walk-in male, guest female, and so on. Okay, so our member male. So we're only looking for member who is a female. So unlike the previous count if formula here where you are only looking for one criteria, there is an Excel formula to be able to count for more than one, multiple criteria. Okay, and it goes like that, equal to count ifs. Okay, because it's so subtle, count if singular and count ifs plural. If you don't use this formula often enough, most can forget to put the s, count ifs, and when they try to do more than one criteria, they get an error and not knowing that actually they forgot to write the count if with the s, count ifs. Okay, so count ifs is just an expanded version of count if that it allows you to do more than one criteria. Okay, so count ifs, C-O-U-N-T-I-F-S. Okay, so we are looking, let's look at the first column here. Within the range of A19 to A32, we are looking for members only. Okay, comma. So the first thing we were looking for is within the member type, I mean customer type, A19 to A32, we are looking for, double quote, member. Okay, so that is our first criteria there. Within here, it must be member. Okay, but that's not enough, comma. Now we look for the second thing we're looking for, which is we're looking at the gender and we're looking for females. Okay, so now looking at the second criteria's range, let's select the gender column here, which is B19 to B32. Okay, and then once you've got that selected, hit the comma, and the criteria now, open your double quotes, F-E-M-A-L-E, female. Okay, it has, please follow the spelling and uppercase, lowercase, okay, capital F-E-M-A-L-E, and so on. Okay, so I've done a count if statement, or rather count ifs with two criteria. I'm looking for member among the type of customer, the blue column, and then among the red column of gender, I'm looking for female. Okay, only when both of these characteristics, these criteria are met, then they will be counted, and earlier we counted 3. So I'm going to hit enter, and there you have it, the result is 3. Okay, you can read off the formula there, or just double click to view in color. Okay, so first the blue range, looking for member in the blue range, and then next looking in the red range for female. Okay, red, female. Okay, so that is how you do count ifs. Okay, and lastly, exercise 3, we're going to fill in a discount here. Okay, and not everyone gets a discount, only members get a discount. Okay, so if you're calculating the discount, I'll just do equal to 10% multiply by this. Okay, and then enter, and then drag it down, and then we've got everyone's 10%. Okay, but we're not going to do this, okay, because only members will get this. So you can say, okay, just delete. Okay, please don't do that. There's a smarter way to do that. Again, if you're dealing with huge amounts of data, it's not worth it to do it like that. Okay, so I'm going to use this function called equal to if. Okay, if. Okay, it's different from count if. Now we are actually telling Excel to proceed with a certain calculation only if a certain criteria is met. And in this case, we're looking for members. Okay, if open bracket, if the customer type, which is this for this particular row 19, if this box A19 equal to member. Okay, it looks a bit funny, but you see A19, if A19's value is equal to quotation mark double quote member, comma, then we will do the 10% multiplied by their purchase amount. Okay, so if A19 is member, then we do the 10%. But if not, okay, if not, then what do we do? Maybe let's just put nil, okay, no discount or none. Okay, so let me just explain again. If A19, the value found in cell A19 is equal to the text string MEMBER with a capital M, member, comma, then if that is so, then we will do 10% multiplied by their sale amount to give them a discount. But if not, then we would just print NONE, none, you get none. Okay, and press enter. Okay, so yes, this guy is a member, he gets 120 discount. And let's shoot down the formula and let's check if it's correct. So these three people here are getting none. Yep, this guest walk in. And then these next three are getting discount, and yep, they're members. Next four, oops, sorry about that. Next four are getting none, and you can see they are not members. Next two are getting, and that's members, and then the last one, and so on. So again, the formula was if that box value equal to whatever you're looking for, member in this case, in quotation mark text string, if that is true, then we do 10% multiplied by their amount to give them that discount. Okay, otherwise none, or you can put 0 as well. Okay, so I'm just being clear that discount is none. Okay, you can put 0. Okay, so that is how you do the if function. Alright, so if you don't want to put the none, okay, let's say if not, okay, instead of putting none, you can just, without the quotation, none is a sentence made up of text string, so we use a quotation. But if you're trying to put a value, a dollar value of 0, just type it there, 0. Okay, please type 0 and not 0 on the number. Okay, and done, do that and fire it now. So these are actually 0 values, but written as dashes here. Okay, if you like to see them in currency, just select this and go to your number formats, this white one here, drop down menu and click on currency. Okay, and then you will see the $0. Okay, so these get none. Gets none. Gets none. Alright, so that with that we end off functions.